Ramadan and Lent are special times for Muslims and Christians. They're not just about fasting, they're about becoming better people.
During Ramadan, Muslims fast from dawn to sunset, but it's not only about food. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Whoever does not give up false speech and bad actions, Allah is not in need of his leaving of food and drink." That means actions and words matter.
Christians prepare for Easter by giving things up and focusing on kindness and self-control. The Bible says in FPHS 4:29, "Do not let any unwholesome talk come out of your mouths, but only what is helpful for building others up."
Both Ramadan and Lent teaches us to control our anger, avoid swearing and treat people with respect. It is about thinking before we speak.
If we can control ourselves during these important times,
Then we can control ourselves all year round.
Choosing not to swear shows strength and not weakness.
Ramadan and Lent reminds us that becoming a better person starts with small daily choices, kindness, patience, and respectful words.
Let's use these special times to grow, improve, and bring out the best in ourselves.
and when Ramadan and Lent finish, the lesson doesn't end.
The goal is to keep the good habits we learned.
Speaking kindly, staying patient, and respecting others.
Because becoming a better person isn't just for a season, it's for every day of the year.